Hey friends, welcome to my documentary. Now in telling about how to fill these 4 empty boxes by using of their values. We multiply these 2 boxes. We are supposed to get 104. If we multiply these 2 vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 52. And furthermore, if we add these 2 vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 25. And finally, if we subtract these 2 horizontal boxes, we are supposed to get 13. And now we are going to fill out these boxes by figuring out the appropriate values for every empty box. Friends, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead. Now get started with the solution. And here's the very first step. Let me go. Label these empty boxes. Let me label this one as N. A. This one has a lowercase b, this is C, and this is a lowercase d. And now we can see that, if we multiply these 2 boxes, A times B is going to be 104. Let me go ahead write down, A times B equals to 104. And if we multiply these 2 boxes, we are going to get, B times D equals to 52. And now let's focus on these boxes. A plus C equals 25. Let me go ahead and write down, A plus C equals 25. And finally this, C minus D equals to 13. Let me go ahead and write down, C minus D equals to 13. Now we can see that, we got these 4 equations, and we are going to solve them by using elimination method, as well as a substitution method. Now the next step, let's focus on these 2 equations, we are going to subtract. Let's go ahead and subtract. I'm going to change the sign. The C becomes to negative sign, and this D negative sign becomes to positive sign. We can see that, the C and this negative C, this is gone, so we ended up with the, A plus D equals to 25 minus 13, is going to give us 12. Let me go ahead, and call this our equation number 1. Here's our next step, let's focus on this. First equation AB equals to 104. Let me go ahead and divide both the sides by B. And as a result, we got this one, the left hand side, this B and B is gone, so we got A equals to 104 divided by B. Likewise, let's focus on the second equation, BD equals to 52. Let me go ahead and divide both the sides by B. Therefore, we can write this equation, this B and B is gone, so we got D equals to 52 divided by B. Now let's focus on this equation 1. Here I am going to replace this A by this 104 divided by B. Likewise, I am going to replace this D by this 52 divided by B. Now let's go ahead and remove these fractions by multiplying by B across the board with each and every term. And we can see that, this B and B is gone, so we ended up with 104, plus likewise this, B and B cancels out, we got 52, equals to on the right hand side, 12 times B is going to 12B. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by 12, so isolate b. This 12 and 12 is gone, so therefore our b value turns out to be 13. So does the value our box b turns out to be 13. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation. A equals to 104 divided by b. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and replace this b, which is 13 in our case. That we figured out, so therefore, a is going to be 104 divided by 13, and that is going to give us, if we simplify, that is going to give us a equals to 8. So that's the value of this box. A turns out to be 8. And now let's focus on this next equation. D equals to 52 divided by b. And here, I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and replace this b value by 13. So d is going to become 4 value. So therefore, the value for this box, d turns out to be 4. And here the final step. Let's focus on this box. So see, we are supposed to be adding these numbers. A is 8, and this box c, and we're supposed to get 25. Therefore, this box has got to be 17, so therefore, the value for this box C turns out to be 17. And finally, let's go ahead and check these two horizontal boxes. 17 minus 4 is going to give us A and D 13. So therefore we conclude that all these values are valid solutions. Therefore, the value of A equals to 8, B equals to 13, C equals to 17, and finally D equals to 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.